Hello, hello, hello to all real Jamaican people. Jamaican people down a yard and Jamaican people over abroad. Welcome to Lady Vivian's Slices of Jamaican Lifestyle, my YouTube channel. Here I will take great pleasure in serving to you delightful, delicious slices of Jamaican lifestyle, the real Jamaican heritage, the culture. Sometimes you'll get the cuisine or the herbs and the other natural remedies. Sometimes we'll feast on the folklore, the poetry, the music, the dance, the chit, the chat, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. In fact, every little thing in the rundown pot, as my friend Marguerite used to say. And let me tell you something. Sometimes we will even take a visit to somebody's fireside so that we can big up that person and we can know how much fire stick a boiling pot. And if you like the vibes, if you enjoy what I'm going right here, so let me ask you please to like, to comment, and to share with all the contacts in your contact list. And also, may I invite you to subscribe. When you subscribe, kindly tap the notification bell so that the minute I post a new video, you will be notified. And remember, a new video every week. And if you don't come, you're not going to know what we have online. You will not know what is being served. So, remember, what is for you can be unfor you. And if you want for me to translate that Jamaican nugget for you, just leave me a little comment down below and say, translate the nugget there for me. I beg you. All right? It's ours and we deserve to have it spread out and served with Jamaican pride. See you next week.